I'm going to show you how I got these results with one device in just a few minutes. If you're noticing that you have tension in your jawline, you have puffiness, your face just doesn't look as refreshed, or you have fine lines or wrinkles, I'm going to share a product with you that might be the game changer for you. First and foremost, you must use a serum because this is just going to accelerate that anti-aging and really nourishing your skin. So as you can see, I have the rose Gua Sha oil here from Vraiko. This is infused with rosa rugosa flower oil, jojoba seed oil, and vitamin E, and that's going to nourish and firm and hydrate. So it's going to firm and lift, it's going to smooth, it's going to improve the radiance and elasticity of your skin, and it's calming and soft. So this is clean and sustainable beauty. It's free from parabens, silicone, synthetic dyes. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free. This is perfect for sensitive skin. It's safe for all skin types, and it's ideal for those who want to incorporate gua sha and lymphatic skincare into their daily routine. I am a huge fan of traditional gua sha, but today I'm sharing with you the Vraiko Aurora LED Gua Sha, and I'm also using their rose oil as well. Now, when I initially saw this product, I thought this is so innovative. I've never tried or seen anything like this, but this Gua Sha is taking that traditional method to an entirely new level. So this has LED. It has a heated mechanism, so the stone actually warms up, and it also has a vibration option as well. There are 3 different levels for the heat, and you can see here that you have this 630 nm far infrared LED. So this is going to support collagen production for firmer, healthier skin. It's going to brighten dull or uneven tones, and this also promotes cellular rejuvenation and healing. So it adds that anti-aging element to a normal stone that just can't offer that benefit. Now, when you're using any gua sha, whether it's this one or a regular stone, you must use an oil. And the reason for this is because you need this stone to glide smoothly over the skin. You're not actually tugging on the skin. You're trying to get to the muscles, and you're moving that tension through the muscles. So as you can see, I'm using this over my cheekbone, I'm sliding this over my jaw, and I'm very careful with not tugging very tightly on the skin. Now, one trick and one method here, as a master esthetician for 20 years that I've learned about gua sha, the technique is really a quick, smooth glide. You want to do about 20 glides per area, and you'll just quickly go over the area and move on. Why should you be using gua sha in the first place? Gua sha reduces puffiness caused by fluid buildup. It increases circulation, giving you instant brightness and healthier complexion. It promotes lymphatic drainage, which detoxifies and debloats your face naturally. It relieves jaw tension, sinus pressure, TMJ tightness, and facial stress. It helps lift, sculpt, and define your natural contours. It softens fine lines and expression marks by relaxing overactive muscles. It boosts absorption of oils and serums, making your skincare more effective, and it creates a calmer, more relaxed nervous system. It's true self-care. The limitations of traditional stone gua sha: a classic stone stays cold. It's soothing, but it's not deeply effective. It only works on the surface layer of the skin and the muscle, and the results depend entirely on your pressure, angle, and technique. It can tug the skin if you don't use enough oil. It takes time to see change because muscle tension isn't fully released, and it can't address the deeper puffiness, inflammation, and chronic jaw tightness. Now, why this Aurora Gua Sha is changing the market: this device takes everything you love about gua sha and enhances it with modern technology so you get real, visible results faster. The heat is a game changer. The heated white jade warms up in seconds. The heat boosts blood flow dramatically more than a cold stone can. It melts facial tension instantly. Warmth softens muscles, allowing sculpting strokes to go deeper. The heat also helps your skincare penetrate better for amplified results. Now, the vibration is a deep muscle stimulation. Traditional gua sha relies on your hands alone. Vibration activates deeper facial muscles that manually scraping can't reach. It helps flush puffiness faster through enhanced lymphatic movement, release jaw tension more effectively, especially for TMJ and clenching. This is 100% natural white jade, so you still get the authentic feel and grounding energy of jade. The natural stone glides beautifully and holds heat evenly. It's finely polished, smooth, and gentle for all skin types. Why this device is more effective than a traditional Gua Sha. Manual Gua Sha equals you're doing all the work. Aurora Gua Sha equals heat, vibration, LED that work for you. You get faster circulation, deeper tension release, and more visible sculpting. Puffiness reduces quicker due to increased lymphatic activation. Chronic jaw tightness softens more effectively with heat and vibration. LED provides long-term benefits that a stone alone simply cannot. The result? Faster, deeper, and more lasting improvements. Just within this video's demonstration, you can already see the benefits that I have by using this in one time. You can use this 3 to 5 times a week. Again, you go about 20 glides per area. That's it. You want to wipe this off of the oil to store this back in its pouch. And there you have it. If you have any questions about this product, about Gua Sha, about the oil, just leave your comments below. I'm always here and happy to help. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I would love to see you in my next videos. And if I have a discount code, I will be sure to put the link for these products and the discount code in the description below. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.